Hi my dear second class children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of third chapter, subtraction of two-digit numbers. Subtraction, we take away small number from the big number. Subtraction means we take away small number from the big number. Take away, the symbol for subtraction is minus. M-I-N-U-S, minus. The result of subtraction is difference. We get difference by subtraction. Difference equal to big number minus small number. Okay. Next one, subtraction facts. That means rules in the subtraction. First one, when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is same number. The answer does not change. See the examples. 8 minus 0. We subtract 0 from 8. Okay, we subtract 0 from 8. The answer does not change. The difference is same number. 12 minus 0. The difference is 12. 45 minus 0. The difference is 45. This is the first rule in the subtraction. That means number minus 0, same number. Number minus 0, same number. Understood? When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer does not change. We write the same number. Second one. When we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is before number of the given number. Look at the example. 6 minus 1. 10 minus 1. 16 minus 1. 53 minus 1. See, we subtract 1 from a number. The difference is before number of the given number. Before number of the given number. Let us see first one. What is the given number? 6. What comes before 6? 5. That means 6 minus 1. The difference is 5. Okay. Next, 10 minus 1. We subtract 1 from a number. The difference is before number of the given number. Given number is 10. 10 before 9. 16 minus 1. 16 before 15. 1 less than given number. 53 minus 1. 53 before 52. Okay. When we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is before number of the given number. Before number of the given number. Understood? These are the rules in the subtraction. In this chapter, subtraction of two-digit numbers. Subtraction of one-digit number from two-digit number. Subtraction of two-digit numbers from two-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. And subtraction of one-digit number from three-digit number. Subtraction of two-digit numbers from three-digit numbers without regrouping. Next one, verify. Verification of subtraction. Verification of subtraction. Verification means check answer once again. Okay, simple word. Check answer once again. These are already some concept I explained in the previous classes. Once again I am going to revise that, then go to today's class. And you learn tables also, Nana. 8 table. Okay? 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Okay, Nana? Learn 8 table and now go to today's class. See, subtract one-digit number from two-digit number. One-digit numbers 1 to 9. Two-digit numbers 10 to 99. Look at the examples. 56 minus 4. We subtract one digit number from two digit number. Start from ones place. 6 minus 4. It is possible. 6 is greater than 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers raised? 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Here no tens place number. That's why write this tens place number here. Now the difference is 52. 56 minus 4, 52. 56 minus 4, 52. We take away one digit number from two digit number. Another one. 42 minus 6. 42 minus 6. We take away 6 from 42. Start from ones place. 2 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible. This is going to with regrouping. This is going to with regrouping. That means simple subtraction, borrowing subtraction. In borrowing subtraction, upper number is smaller than lower number. Then we are going to using concept of borrowing. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 2 becomes 12. 4 changes into 3. When we are going to using borrowing concept, at a time we have to change the tens place number and ones place number. Okay? Here one number moving from left to right. Then 12 minus 6. Same process. Close fingers. Start counting from 6 till we get 12. Ready? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers raised? 6 fingers. 12 minus 6, 6. Now here 4 changes into 3. Here no tens place number. That's why 3 right in the tens place. Now the difference is 36. 42 minus 6, 36. 42 minus 6, 36. Subtraction of one digit number from two digit number without grouping. One digit number from two digit number with regrouping. Come on children. We take away one digit number from two digit number. Here also we take away one digit number from two digit number. This is going to without regrouping. In without regrouping, upper number is more. In with regrouping, upper number is small. Simple word, simple subtraction, borrowing subtraction. Can I show you another example? Come on, you have to follow the subtraction rules. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. When we subtract 1 from a number, the number just before the given number. Let us see this example. 98 minus 40. 83 minus 26. Both are two digit numbers. Start from ones place. 98 minus 40. 8 minus 0. Number minus 0. Same number. Now subtract tens. 9 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5. The answer is 58. This is different. Difference. Difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. We take away 40 from 98. Okay, we subtract 40 from 98. Now go to that. Ones place, tens place. This is also, we subtract 26 from 83. 26 from 83. Start from ones. 3 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. One number moving from tens to ones. Then 3 changes into 13, 8 changes into 7. When we are going to using concept of borrowing, at a time we have to change the ones place number and tens place number. Okay? Now 13 minus 6, close fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7. Now tens, 7 minus 2, close fingers, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. The difference is 57. 83 minus 26, 57. Here we subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit number without regrouping, with regrouping. Simple subtraction, borrowing subtraction. Another example. 88 minus 38. Ones place, tens place. 75 minus 20. Ones place, tens place. Another one. 97 minus 61. Ones place, tens place. Come on. 88 minus 38. We subtract 38 from 88. Start from ones place. 8 minus 8. When we subtract number from itself, the difference is 0. Now 8 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. The difference is 50. Now go to that. Here we are going to using concept. When we subtract number from itself, we get 0. 75 minus 20. We subtract 0 from a number. The difference is same number. Now 7 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. The difference is 55. Now go to that. 97 minus 61. Number minus 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, what is the difference? Just before of this number. That means 7 before 6. Now 9 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 3. The difference is 36. These are 2-digit number from 2-digit number without regrouping. Simple subtractions. Here we subtract number minus same number 0. Number minus 0 same number. Number minus 1 just before the given number. Another examples. You practice in your rough notes or homework book. 73 minus 37. 61 minus 26. 94 minus 58. Here also we subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit number. Start from ones place. 3 minus 7. 3 is less than 7. Subtraction is not possible using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. 3 becomes 13. 7 changes into 6. Now 13 minus 7. 7 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. 6 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4. 5, 6, 3. Now come to here. Here also start from ones. 1 minus 6. 1 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible. Borrowing concept. Then 1 changes into 11. 6 changes into 5. 11 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5. Now tens. 5 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 3. 35. Now go to that. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones. we subtract 58 from 94. 4 is less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. Borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. 4 becomes 14. 9 changes into 8. When we are going to using concept, change the tens place number and ones place number. Now 14 minus 8. Close fingers. 8 after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. 8 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 3. These are subtract 2-digit numbers from 2-digit number with regrouping. That means borrowing subtractions. Now we subtract 1-digit number from 3-digit number and 2-digit number from 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay? 3-digit number 100 to 999. Here also 3-digit number minus 0, same number. 3-digit number minus 1 before number of the given number. 3-digit number minus same number, answer is 0. See the examples. 145 minus 0. 145 minus 1. 145 minus 145. Okay? 145 minus 0, same number. 145 minus 1 before number of this number, 144. 145 minus 145, the number subtract from itself, the difference is 0. These are the rules in the subtraction. In 1-digit or 2-digit or 3-digit, same rules we are going to follow. Now subtract 1-digit number from 3-digit number, 1-digit number, 2-digit number from 3-digit number. 469 minus 5. 3-digit number, ones, tens, hundreds. This is 1-digit number, that's why I write in the ones place. Suppose if you are writing like this is common mistake. Don't write 5. What place is it? Hundreds, tens, ones. 5 means 1-digit number. 1-digit means this number should be right in the ones only. Don't write like this. This is going to common mistake. Okay? Arrange the numbers like this. 1-digit always in the ones place. Now 9 minus 5. It is possible. Close fingers. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 4. Here no tens. That's why bring down same number. Here no hundreds, bring down same hundreds place number. Now the difference is 464. Here we subtract 5 from 469. Next one. 583 minus 3. See, 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down 8, bring down 5. Why? Here no tens place number, no hundreds place number. That's why write tens place number as it is. Hundreds place number, hundreds place number also write as it is. 583 minus 3, 580. Here we subtract 1-digit number from 3-digit number. Another example. 989 minus 1. Minus 1 means, yes, before number of the given number. 9 before 8. As it is, 9 also as it is. The difference goes to 988. 989 before 988. Here we subtract 1 from this number. This is the before number of this number. Next one. Subtract 2-digit numbers from 3-digit number. 584 minus 32. See how I am arranged the numbers. ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 3-digit number, 2-digit number, tens and ones. 32, 3 tens, 2 ones. Don't arrange the numbers like this. If you are arrange the numbers like this, your arrangement of numbers is wrong. This process is wrong. 32, write in tens and ones. This is going to hundreds, no? That's why don't write like this. Okay? Now, find the difference. How do you get difference? By subtraction. Start from ones place. 4 minus 2. 2. Very good. Close fingers. 2 after 3. 4. Now tens. 8 minus 3. 5. Very good. Close fingers. 3 after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Now here note a hundreds place number. Write this number as it is in the hundreds place. Now the difference is 552. Next one. This is going to subtract 2-digit number from 3-digit number. 645 minus 35. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Start from ones. Number subtract from itself 0. 4 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4. 1. Here no hundreds place number. Write this number as it is. Now the difference is 610. Next, subtract 3-digit number from 3-digit number. 864 minus 231. We subtract 3-digit number from 3-digit number. Start from ones. Number minus 1 just before of it. 4 before 3. Now 6 minus 3. This rule goes to, we subtract 1 from a number. That's why the difference is, yes. Close fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4. See 3. Now 6 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 3. Write in the tens place. Now subtract hundreds. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. Now the difference is 633. We subtract 3-digit number from 3-digit number. Here also start from ones. First subtract ones. Write in the ones place. Next subtract tens. Write in the tens place. Then go to hundreds and subtract and write in the hundreds place. This is difference. We get the difference by subtraction. Next one, verification of subtraction. Verifying subtraction using addition. Verifying subtraction. Verifying subtraction using addition. Verifying subtraction using addition. That means here we are going to do it subtraction and addition both. See, 147 minus 23. This is the given subtraction. First find out the difference. Start from 1. 7 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4. 5, 6, 7, 4. Tens. 4 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4. 2. Bring down 1. The difference is 124. We subtract 23 from 147. Now going to do verification. Verification means we check. We are going to check in our answer. Our process is correct or wrong. When we are going to do verification, take first difference. Here we get 124 right in the first place. Now take second number 23 right below column wise. Yes. Now here in the verification simplification. We are going to do addition using addition. Plus C symbol for addition. Start from ones place. 4 plus 3. Take fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. And bring down 1. We get, yes, bigger number. Then our process is correct. This is called verifying subtraction using addition. Another one. Verification means check. 896 minus 43. First doing subtraction. Minus 6 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 3. 9 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Here no hundreds place number. Write as it is that number. Now the difference is 853. Now going to do verification. Write the word verification. In verification we are using addition. When we are going to do verification, write first take difference. 853 is the difference. Next write the second number below the difference, that is going to 43. Now add these two numbers. Now here using addition. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. Bring down 8. We get bigger number. Our answer is correct. This is going to verifying subtraction using addition. In our textbook, they given page number 46, exercise 3C. Exercise 3C, page number 46. Here they given 4 subtractions and do verification also. First find the difference, arrange difference and second number. If you get bigger number in the answer place, you are correct. Do these 4 in your textbook correctly. Okay, page number 46, exercise 3C. Exercise 3C. Okay, my dear children, are you understood the concept? Okay. Next, word problems in subtraction. Word problems. Here we have to remember subtraction words. Those are subtract, find the difference, remaining, left, how many were left, how many more, yes, minus, take away, how many more or less, how many more or how many less, remaining, left. These are the words we are going to using for subtraction word problems. Subtract, difference, remaining, minus, how many more, how many less. Okay, now I am going to explain first. Yes, see, 24 less than 156. How to write this? How to arrange the subtraction? 24 less than 156. How to arrange the subtraction? First find out in the given two numbers which is the big number. This number having 2 digits. This number having 3 digits. That means 3-digit number is more, 2-digit number is less. That means write this number first place. 156. Less than means subtract. Find the difference. Minus 24. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now 24 write in the tens and ones. We have to arrange the given numbers like this. Now same process. 6 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 6. 2. Now tens. 5 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3. 4. 5. 3. Here no hundreds place number. Write this hundreds place number as it is in the answer place. Now the difference is 132. Okay, understood? If the subtraction is given like this, less than means we subtract 24 from 156. 156 లో నుంచి 24 ని subtract చేయండి అని. Okay, understood? Another example. Take away. What is the word here using? Take away. Take away. 47 from 93. Take away 47 from 93. Here after the word from is the bigger number. The number written after the word from, that is bigger. This is big number. Take away 47. This is small number. Actually subtraction means big number minus small number. In the given numbers 93 is big. Write 93 in the first place. Now 47 write below 93. Put the symbol minus. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones. 3 minus 7 not possible. Borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. 3 changes into 13. 9 changes into 8. 13 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. 8 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 6, 7, 8. 4. We have to arrange the given numbers like this. The number which written after from, that is big, this is small. Okay, next example. Are you understood the concept? Subtraction. Bigger number minus smaller number. Bigger number minus smaller number. Next one. Take away 56 from 398. Come on, arrange the subtraction. Check out the given two numbers. 2-digit number, 3-digit number. After from, the number is big. That means 3-digit number is more, 2-digit number is small. Now write that number. 398. Put the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Second number 56. 2-digit number. Write in the tens column and ones column. What is the symbol? Take away means subtract. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Now subtraction start from ones. 8 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 2. Next, tens. 9 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Now come to hundreds. Here no hundreds. That's why write same number in the difference place. Now the difference is 342. This is the answer. The arrangement of numbers is like this. 3-digit number is more. 2-digit number is less. Understood? Take away means subtract. Minus is symbol for subtraction. And you practice in your homework book. 2-digit number subtraction. 3-digit number subtraction and learn table of 8. Thank you very much, my dear children. Take care. Bye.